So today I want to talk about Bowers&Wilkins PX7 wireless headphones with active noise cancelling. I just want to point out a few things that I've noticed compared to my two other headphones, which is the Nura phone and the Beoplay H9i. These headphones are similar price range at $400. H9i started with $500, but recently it came down to around 300 range, so I'll leave the link below if you're interested. First, fit on PX7 is great. They have large oval shape ear cups that fits comfortably around your ear, but the band seems too strong. So after having them on for about an hour, I kind of feel that it's digging into my jaws. H9i, on the other hand, had no issue even if I use it for extended periods of time. PX7 has about 23 hours of music play with noise cancelling on, but the best thing about this is that if you charge it for 15 minutes, it gives you about 5 hours of playback time. And I think this is the best feature of the PX7. PX7 does offer a 3.5mm connection to the devices that uses wired connections, but if you don't turn it on, you cannot use it, meaning without the battery, you cannot actually use it even if it's connected via wire. But then again, like I mentioned, 15 minutes of charge will give you plenty of juice. For your information, H9i does work without the battery if you plug it onto the device using the audio jack, but you cannot use active noise cancelling, and you have to settle for lesser sound quality. One thing that kind of disappoints me is that you cannot listen to music on ambient pass-through mode. That is same as H9i, but Nura phone still works even if you have that feature on. The sound quality is on par with H9i or the Nura phone, if not slightly better. It does have clear sounds and barely any distortion even when active noise cancelling is on, whereas H9i, you can hear distortion, especially on treble when active noise cancelling is on. So that's it for my quick note on the Bowers&Wilkins PX7 headphones. Thanks for watching and see you on my next video. Bye.